This is where I'm at with the coop, or I guess the chicken cage. No, you don't have to thaw the corn. Birds chilling. Got all the T-posts in. Show a different angle. Dawson's chilling. Now we just gotta put the fence on it. Got a couple of them tied down. Got it pretty straight without a stretcher. Got this cool gate on. Just got a wire hinge for it. Not too shabby. I think this is the last one I did, so I still have to do that one, that one, that one, and then that corner one. A little update. That T-post looks crooked. I was pulling the hell out of the fence, but I got all the fence put on there. This back corner was kind of like the squares and stuff were all messed up, so I tried to fix them, make them look like they all match. Don't start getting rough till like this side. But got it, almost there. I got a roll of chicken wire. I'm gonna run some chicken wire all down here and up here too if I can get it, and then I don't know, we might have to do something for the top. That's what I got so far though. Here we go, I'll give you a little update. Got the chicken wire put on the fence. It's on there pretty tight. I didn't end up burying it, but I'm gonna come back with some more and bury it. Got the door put on all good, just wire hinges. Let me check this light. Now we just gotta try to figure out how to put a roof. Probably gonna take their coop, put it over here maybe.